guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrika and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do naturally glowing summer refreshing look. Yes, today's tutorial is all about summer makeup and this video was highly requested. Lot many girls were asking me to make this video and finally I got time to make this video and I'm uploading it. And first of all, I'm sharing very big news with all my YouTube subscribers. My channel is monetized. Yes, I'm so excited and happy. I was waiting for this moment from such a long time and finally my channel is monetized, and I'm gonna give my thank you speech. Thank you so much YouTube and all my subscribers for watching my videos and giving me so much of love. And so now, like too much of drama. Okay, so now without wasting much time, let's start with the tutorial. And before getting started with the makeup tutorial, I'm gonna share one beautiful makeup tip with you girls. So hydrate your skin before applying any makeup on your skin. If your skin is hydrated from inside, it will glow naturally from outside. So at least drink one full glass of water before getting started with the makeup. So this is beautiful tip. So now without wasting much time, let's start with the tutorial summer makeup refreshing look. So girls, now let's start with it. So firstly, before applying any makeup, let me prepare my skin for the makeup. And for that, the most important thing for skin in summer is SPF. So I'm using this Lakme Sun Expert 50 SPF and I'm gonna apply it evenly on my full face to protect my skin from the harmful UV rays. And this is like very good sunscreen. It has that matte effect. And don't forget your neck area, your ears, and yes, I'm done with it. And now the second step to prepare my skin is to hydrate your skin. Like I'm using this homemade serum. If you want to know the whole recipe of this serum, how to make this serum, this is naturally glowing and hydrating serum. I'll share the link in description. I have made the whole video how to make this serum. This serum is made of aloe vera gel, vitamin E capsules, and this gulab gel, that is rose water, and I'm gonna apply this serum on my full face. This will hydrate my skin and it will also add some natural glow to my skin. So to get that refreshing natural glowing skin, I'm applying this homemade natural serum. You can use any hydrating serum or hydrating oil, whatever suits your skin. But this is really very best ingredient because this is highly natural and this will add some extra glow to your skin. So I'll recommend this. So you can see now my skin is prepared for the makeup. Now let's start with the makeup tutorial. So okay girls, so before starting any makeup, I'm gonna apply primer on my skin. My skin is quite acne prone, so for me it's really very important to apply primer because otherwise my makeup will go in my pores and it can do a lot of damage to my skin. So I'm applying primer to protect my skin from any damage from makeup. Okay, so now my skin is fully prepared. So in my next step, I'm gonna use this Pond's BB cream. I use BB cream in summer, no foundation, nothing else. BB cream do really well for me. So I'm gonna apply BB cream on my full face. You can use any BB cream, but I don't know why I like Pond's BB. It really blends well on my skin. Not much, a very small amount of BB cream. And then I'm gonna use my fingers as my blender because according to me, fingers are the best blenders. So now I'm gonna blend this BB cream using my fingers. and it will make my skin even and hide all my flaws. You know, nobody has perfect skin. Even I don't have perfect skin. Don't forget your eye area. And you know, BB cream gives us very natural, refreshing look. So BB creams are best for summer. After some time, foundation becomes really cakey. So yes, BB creams for summer. And yes, you can see how even my skin has become after applying this BB cream. And now in my next step, I'm going to use this concealer to hide my acne spots, like I have here, 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 and also my under eye area. This to hide all my acne spots. And I'm using this concealer from Maybeline Fit Me range. It's really very nice concealer. And now I'm gonna hide all my acne spots. This concealer really hide all my acne spot and give me very even tone. Okay, so now you can see my skin has become naturally refreshing and beautiful. Now in my next step, I'm gonna curl my lashes. You know, I totally avoid wearing mascara in summers, so this eye color will do great for me. So I'll just leave eye color for 15 seconds like this, and I'll curl my lashes. And I'll do the same for my other eye as well. You know, earlier I was also very scared of curling my lashes. I was really scared, like it can damage my eyes. But it comes with the practice. And now I can't walk out without curling my lashes. It gives naturally beautiful look. And now you can see the difference, and I have curled my lashes. Now for that natural pink glow on my skin, I'm using this tint from Kiko Milano, and this is Asian Touch blush, and I'm gonna apply a lot on my cheeks, on the ample of my cheeks, and I'll say smile. And now again, I'm gonna blend it using my fingers. And this will add on some natural pink glow to my skin. And a bit on my chin. Okay girls, so you can see it has added some natural pink glow to my skin. Now in my next step, I'm gonna use highlighter from Makeup Revolution. As it's a natural glowing refreshing makeup for summer, I'm gonna use this pinkish tone, and for applying highlighter I'm using this blender, and I'm gonna take a bit on this blender like this, and then I'm gonna apply on my temple area and on my cheekbones, on my chin, on the cupid of my lips, and of course on my forehead. Not much, a little to add on that natural glow, and of course on my nose. I think I need to take a bit more for my nose. You can also apply highlighter using brush, but blender really do great for me. And the remaining highlighter I'm gonna apply like an eyeshadow on my eyes. Only the remaining one to get that natural glow. I'm not applying any eyeshadow because in summer I don't prefer applying eyeshadow in daytime especially. Okay, so I'm done. So you can see my skin is glowing so much. And now the most important thing that you need to do is your eyebrows. You know, makeup is incomplete without doing eyebrows. I can't step out without doing my eyebrows. So as it's a day time natural refreshing look, so I'm using this naturally brown shade for my eyebrows, you can see. And this palette is from Collection Eyebrow Kit. And now I'm gonna use this natural brown shade for my eyebrows, and I'll do my eyebrows. I'm not gonna make it very loud. I'm gonna give it very natural and subtle look. And you know, eyebrows are the very important part of the makeup, and if I don't do my eyebrows, I don't feel like I've done any makeup. Like, it gives really very dull look. After doing eyebrows, my face glows like anything. It's add 5 stars to my makeup. And you can see I've done my eyebrows, and you can see that sudden change on my face, how beautiful and complete my face looks after doing eyebrows. I hope you also do your eyebrows and you don't forget. And I can't step out without doing eyebrows. And now for my lips, you can also apply any lip gloss or natural any lip chap in summers, but I'm using this Maybelline New York color jott matte intense lip paint because I really love loud colors. I'm gonna apply this lipstick from Maybelline. And it's a matte lipstick, so girls, you can see I have applied this beautiful shade of orange from Maybelline New York. It's a matte lipstick and it has given me a very beautiful pinkish glow. So girls, this is the last and very important step of this summer makeup look, and that is to apply face powder on your full face. And I'm using this white tone face powder. It will absorb all the extra oiliness, greasiness and sweatiness from your face. So I'm gonna take a small amount of face powder on my palm, and I'm gonna use this cotton and I'm gonna dab it on my face to get that natural refreshing look, and it will absorb all the extra oiliness, greasiness and sweatiness from my skin, and I'll get refreshing natural look. So always apply a small amount of face powder in summer to get that refreshed makeup look. And you can see I'm done. So girls, this is my summer natural refreshing makeup look for summers. Now you can have a close look how natural and beautiful my skin is looking after doing this makeup. This is like very light and subtle makeup. Nobody can guess you have put on so many things on your skin because it looks so natural. So I hope you liked my today's video, and if you really like it girls, please hit like and do subscribe on my channel. Now me Sagrika signing off. Bye, take care, love you all.